The groundbreaking for construction of another mega hotel in Jamaica happened this morning, but workers may have to be imported for the construction project. The revelation comes from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who says the government may not have a choice as there's a labor shortage. A groundbreaking ceremony in Trelawney for the 7th Rio Hotel in Jamaica. The new structure will create more than 750 more rooms. Good news for the tourism sector, but Jamaica may not benefit significantly during the construction phase as there's a labor shortage.
Where we are having a challenge is in construction, major problems there, and we're, as part of our planning, we're seeing that we may have at least 7 developments along this North Coast stretch, which will require a significant pool of skilled labor.
This includes masons, carpenters, and other skilled workers required in the construction sector.
Now, put yourself in my shoe. I want the development. How am I going to get it done? Well, I have to go and train the workers. That takes time, but in the interim, we can't stop the developments. So, for those people in Jamaica who say, I can't get a job, I can't get a work, the system fight against me, forget that. We are now on the pathway to take off.
Noting that there are still many unemployed Jamaicans, Mr. Holness says not all of them are seeking to be part of the labor force. It's why the government is again looking at implementing a mandatory national service to help train young Jamaicans.
We have placed HEART on alert, that is our human resource training entity, that we are going to have to go and find these people, put them in a streamlined mechanism to get them trained and provide them very quickly. If we don't do that, then there can be no complaints if we have to import labor into the country.
In addition to filling the labor shortage, Mr. Holness says the suggested mandatory national training will also help divert young people from a life of crime. The opposition leader Mark Golding, in the meantime, has stressed the need for more young Jamaicans to become trained to take up jobs in the local economy. He was speaking at a function in southern St. Andrew this morning to mark the start of a forklift operating training program. The 6-week course was made available to 15 individuals through the Trenchtown Polytechnic College.
Forklift operation is a key element of the logistics industry, which is a worldwide, global, and growing industry. And Dr. Edwards Watson has indicated the size of that industry, which is massive, and the projected growth over the next 3 or 4 years, which is also massive. So by having the foresight and vision to apply, to come on board and be part of the first cohort to be doing this course, you have shown an understanding of your place in the world economy